Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to contact Klarna customer service if you need help with your payments, orders, refunds, or account. The process is quick and easy, so let's get started. First, if you need immediate assistance, you can contact Klarna customer service by calling their official customer support phone number available for your country or region. You can also get support by visiting the official Klarna website at klarna.com. Once you're on the website, sign in to your Klarna account if prompted. Next, navigate to the Help or Customer Service section. Here, you'll find answers to frequently asked questions about payments, purchases, refunds, returns, and account management. If you can't find the answer you're looking for, you can submit a support request or ticket by filling out the contact form with your issue and the required details. Depending on your region, Klarna also offers live chat support, allowing you to chat directly with a customer service representative for faster assistance. Be sure to include all the necessary information, such as your order, number, or account details, so the support team can help resolve your issue more quickly. And that's it. That's how you can contact Klarna customer service through the phone or the official Klarna website. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.